Okay folks, a little commentary. We are Devil's Garden. It snowed last night, so it's covered. This pothole here washed out our route. The only way out was to go up this slick rock to where I've already made it to, and then down onto the other side of that pothole. Mitch is gonna, he didn't make his first attempt, and we are going to videotape.
I'm running faster this time.
You're on.
Up right through there, I think.
Be careful.
Alright?
Yep.
Or should I go right up here?
I went right where you are, straight up.
I had no footholds. Oh, come on! I got it. Oh, I got the first foothold. God damn. Oh, damn it. That was not cool. Get me off of this thing.